Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we feature new releases from Atlas, Lionel, Menards, and MTH. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas will be producing an exclusive limited edition U30C diesel locomotive in Rock Island colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. The models will be available in 2 road numbers and are expected to arrive in late 2025. The early order price is $611.96. Love him or hate him, there's no denying that Donald Trump has made an impact on American culture, and the world of toy trains is no exception. Lionel Trains has announced 2 President Trump Legacy ES44 diesel locomotives as an addition to the 2025 product line. The models are available as number 4547 and number 4747 with slightly different color schemes. The diesels are expected to arrive in late 2025 at authorized Lionel dealers and carry a suggested retail price of $749.99 each. Lionel Trains has also announced an exclusive Trump Air Force One ES44 diesel for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The model will include bunting that may be applied by the purchaser. Models are expected to arrive in late 2025 and carry a pre-order price of $699.99. Menards has released a new Texaco animated beam pump accessory. The models are available online now. In addition to the moving arm, the accessory includes a shed, 2 figures, and Jack the German Shepherd, plus a base with grass and dirt textures. The accessory requires a 4.5-volt power source sold separately. The beam pump sells for $39.99. Menards has released a new and improved batch of its railroad crossing with lights accessory. The accessory operates from an included 10-inch O-Gauge insulated track section, and this new version will operate on either AC or DC track power. The accessory is priced at $39.99 at menards.com. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 Premier O-Scale 40-foot USRA single sheathed boxcar in Chesapeake and Ohio, Maine Central, Chicago and Northwestern, Milwaukee Road, Pennsylvania, and Delaware and Hudson color schemes next summer. Each item will be limited in production and is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in June 2025. The suggested retail price is $74.95 each. MTH will be producing 3 exclusive and limited edition USRA Heavy Pacific steamers for Mr. Muffin's trains. The models include Blue Mountain and Reading number 425 with prototypical headlight and bell locations, Erie number 2029 with 6-wheel tender trucks, and Baltimore and Ohio number 5064 in black. The models are expected to arrive in July 2025 and carry an early order price of $1259.96. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale Alco RS1 diesel locomotive in Rutland colors for public delivery track. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2025. The early order price is $399.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale 50-foot PS1 boxcar in Rock Island colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in May 2025. The early order price is $71.95. MTH will be producing exclusive, limited editions of the President Trump 50-foot flat car with garbage truck in 2 special color schemes for the train loft. Each car is numbered 312216 and is a good match for the previously announced train loft ES44 AC diesel. The flat cars are available in black or gold, and delivery is expected later in 2025. The early order price is $89.95 each. MTH will also be producing an exclusive Trump 50-foot boxcar in 2 different numbers for Patrick's trains. The cars are similar to the regular MTH Trump Fight boxcars, but also include the iconic Gadsden Revolutionary War flag with the snake and "Don't Tread on Me" slogan. The cars are expected to arrive in late summer and have an early order price of $74.99 each. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for another edition of What's New in O Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.